Budgeting 101, Creating a Personalized Budget Plan. Hey everyone, welcome back to Jeffrey's channel. Today, we're diving into the essential topic of budgeting. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to improve your money management skills, creating a personalized budget plan is the first step towards financial success. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating an effective budget that works for your unique goals and lifestyle. Let's get started. The importance of budgeting. Before we jump into the how, let's talk about the why of budgeting. A budget helps you take control of your finances, track your spending, and achieve your financial goals faster. It's like a roadmap for your money. Whether you want to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or invest for the future, a budget is your guiding tool. Assessing your income and expenses. Step 1. Assessing your income and expenses. Start by listing all sources of income, your salary, freelance gigs, or any other sources. Then, list your regular monthly expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. This gives you a clear picture of your cash flow. Categorizing your expenses. Step 2. Categorizing your expenses. Divide your expenses into categories like housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and savings. This helps you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Setting financial goals. Step 3. Setting financial goals. Define short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. These could be saving for an emergency fund, paying off credit card debt, or buying a home. Having clear goals motivates you to stick to your budget. Creating your budget. Step 4. Creating your budget. Start by allocating a portion of your income to each expense category. Remember to prioritize necessities, savings, and debt payments. Be realistic, and don't forget to leave room for occasional treats. Tracking and adjusting. Step 5. Tracking and adjusting. Your budget isn't set in stone, it's a dynamic tool. Regularly track your spending to ensure you're staying on track. If you overspend in one category, adjust other categories accordingly. Using budgeting tools. Bonus tip, using budgeting tools. There are several apps and online tools that can help you streamline the budgeting process. They can automatically categorize expenses, set spending limits, and provide visual reports of your progress. Celebrating milestones. Lastly, celebrate milestones. When you achieve a financial goal, treat yourself. This positive reinforcement makes budgeting more enjoyable and sustainable. Conclusion. And there you have it, Budgeting 101. Remember, creating a personalized budget plan takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself, and don't be afraid to make adjustments as needed. By taking control of your finances, you're setting yourself up for a brighter financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. For more budgeting tips and financial advice, come back to the channel. And don't forget to subscribe to Jeffrey Bass Knight for regular updates. Until next time.